In this video we are going to move one step to the right. So we have already done the product division and now we are moving to multi-divisional structure. So multi-divisional. So what is going to be different here? One very special thing that we will again have some divisions according to our product, but the value creating activities will be split. So important word is value creating activities. Because if you remember, in a product division structure, we just have different product lines, and the actual value is the same when we talk about these different divisions. So in a multi-divisional, you can imagine that we have got actually totally separate businesses. That this is another big advantage which allows you so that you can operate in different, and I will now change the color, industries. Sorry. Uh, yeah, industries. Industries. Because your businesses can be totally different. Let's say again you have got CEO or your headquarters, and now I will for now leave a space right over here, and I will finish the column later. And then you have got the divisions, and here maybe you can create a furniture. So furniture. Here you are creating cars, and here maybe you are making a canned food. Canned food, so that the value you are creating is different here, it is different here, and maybe for the canned food you don't care about some innovations and you just follow. So that it is important to realize that these divisions are totally separated, and what supports this fact is that the support functions are also separated. So support functions, and I will change the color for this, are separated. And what does this mean? Well, that the section or the division of canned food has got its own marketing department, and the car has got its own research and development center. And these are the support functions. They are not really manufacturing, because in a product division we just had manufacturing split it, and the support functions were centralized. And these idea of multi-divisional structure brings us two very important advantages, thanks to which we are able to solve problems that we have had previously in product division. And one is called the self-contained division. So self-contained division. And this means that the actual division is or can be operating like a separated company itself, so that the CEO is just overseeing several companies. You can see it from this point of view. And another important point is that this company has got the headquarters stuff. Headquarters. And I would say the important here is to understand the word, the corporate strategy. So corporate strategy, which is going to take place exactly at this empty point. So this is corporate strategy, and those are the guys, or those are the strategists that are creating the plans for manufacturing, or for creating these values. So they are not really taking care about some in detailed manufacturing process, but about some future planning and some of these core values planning. But of course, we can see some of the disadvantages which this multi-divisional structure has, and those are especially going to be the transfer pricing. So disadvantages, and I will move the screen a bit. So disadvantages. At first, it is called the transfer pricing. So transfer pricing. What is it? Well, as we have mentioned, these are totally different companies. You can take it that way. And then these companies are selling and trading some products between themselves. And it is very hard to set the prices. Should we sell them at the market prices, or at our cost of goods, or how we should set the prices? So this is very important how or what will be the strategy of the company considering this point. Another point which is important is the bureaucratic cost. So, or we can conclude it that multi-divisional company or having several divisions is very expensive. So it's very expensive. And why? Well, especially because of the support functions. We have several marketing departments and several research and development centers. So this is maybe the biggest disadvantage that a multidivisional structure has. So this was multidivisional. We can check it for the moment. And in next video we are moving to product team structure.